home of authentic Igbo culture and Ekpili music.
Welcome everyone. Today we are discussing Ekpili music and the two major names dominating the genre, Aro Valozeama and Aro Nwanteje. These two musicians have contributed greatly to the growth of Ekpili music. Many fans say Aro Nwanteje revived interest in Ekpili music. Do you agree? Aro's impact has been huge. Yes, Aro brought energy and modern promotion methods that attracted younger audiences. But Aro Valozeama supporters believe he expanded the cultural value of Ekpili music. That's true. Aro Valozeama preserves traditional Igbo wisdom while reaching modern listeners. When it comes to social media promotion, who has the advantage?
Is the one who engages the most consistently.
So, strategy over follow.
Exactly. Aro appears stronger in social media visibility, especially among younger fans. That's a key trend, exactly, and is shaping promotions.
What about musical creativity and originality?
That's a great question. It's tough out there.
Both are creative. Aro brings excitement while Aro Valozeama emphasizes storytelling. Are they competing or helping each other grow the genre? They are helping Ekpili music grow. Healthy competition benefits everyone. Who is attracting more new listeners?
Aro has a strong fan base, but Aro's new single is gaining streams fast.
Aro attracts many new listeners, while Aro Valozeama builds strong loyalty among traditional fans.
If Ekpili music becomes globally recognized, what role will these artists play?
They must lead with innovation.
They will be remembered as pioneers who pushed Ekpili music beyond local boundaries. In one sentence, who is taking Ekpili music to the top?
Aro Valozeama is the one.
Both artists are taking Ekpili music to the top, each in their own unique way. That's fair. Ekpili music wins when great musicians continue promoting our culture. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more discussions on Igbo music, culture, and entertainment.
Home of authentic Igbo culture and Ekpili music.